Like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud we were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just put you through, and I hold myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broke inside, but I won't admit it. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss.